Okay, so in this video I am going to show you how to scrape how to use Python web scraper to scrape the Amazon India and Flipkart sites. And for that I'll be using the Beautiful Soup library. So first of all, let's try with Flipkart, and here is the Flipkart. So in Flipkart, let's say in Flipkart, if we search something, let's say search. So if we search something, so you can see here, so it is sort by relevance, popularity, and now I just copy here, and now if you look at this URL, you will see that the word search is here, this part, and rest is the other thing. So if I copy this whole URL and I paste here URL. Now suppose I want to search for some other item, say shoes. So what I have to do here, I have to change this search by this item. So for that I can easily use this using this string operation in Python. So I have basically divided this search URL into two strings and then put the search item in between. So I have generated the URL. So after that I am using the requests library in Python. For that I used request.get function, and I'm getting the URL. Actually when I write this get URL.text, then we get in the text form, which is easier for us to parse. And after that if you look at this, okay, so you can actually look at the source file. For example, if I make a file, suppose test html.txt. so if I make this, okay, this should be in write mode, and I use print source comma file equal to fid, and then I write fid dot close. So I'm basically writing the whole source in a file called test.html.txt, and if I run this code, okay, so there is some error. So let's see what is the error. Okay, so I must use some encoding. So I have to use this source dot encode. Let me just verify the syntax. I have to use this UTF-8. Basically, this is the encoding in Unicode form, because some texts are in the Unicode form, so not just ASCII characters. So I have to use this function, and now if I run this, it should work. Okay, so this has worked. So now if I open this file folder, and this is the test html.txt. so if I open this, then I should see the HTML file. This is the HTML code. This is the complete HTML code of the web page, of the search result that is generated by Flipkart. But just by looking at this, we cannot understand anything, right? So for that, what I have to do in this, suppose I want to see the price. So I will just click here, right click here, this price, this is $4.99. I just right click here and I click this inspect button. So now you can see here, so if you inspect this, this is underscore 1v4 c4de equal to $4.99. so this is a particular div class where Flipkart stores the price. So if I look this, suppose this is let's take another one. So this is $5.49. If I click this and inspect, you will get another div class 1pc4de. So for that, what I am doing is that I need to find this. So you can find this manually in this text file. As you can see, if you search this, but that is not the way we do it. So for that, what I do here is that I use the butterfly beautiful soup BT. We have used this BT beautiful soup, and this BT source is the source. And let me just comment this part, the text file part, because this will consume more time. So soup. So I'm basically, this beautiful soup is used for parsing the data in LXML format, and thereafter this soup is actually the sparse data. After parsing the file or the HTML code, what I have to do, I have to find all the elements, or let me show you this one by one. So if I do this, now once I run this code, so now this soup contains all the information. So if I click, so it is a big file. It has around 12,287 lines. So this contains almost the entire data that we have seen in the file. So I can also make a file of this, but I am not going to do that because there is of no use. So what I am doing here is that now, so I am using maths equal to soup.find div class. So this is the code 1VC4OE. So this is the div class under which Flipkart stores the price. So if I click this, or if I run this code now, so what is in the maths? So in the maths we have, so the price 490. So here I have searched shoes. So if I search shoes here, then the first should be 490. Yes, this is 490, right? Now if I search all these, if I want to search all the items that are showing in the first search page, so what I have to do here, I have to use this find all, and now this match will be a list of all the elements. So for that I use a loop, for loop, for z in maths, print z. So it will show all the elements that appears in the first search page. So now if I run this, I should be able to see all these various elements of this 490, 469, this 469, then it comes to, then it should be 379, and this is not always in the same order. This is 379. So because every time we refresh the search page in Flipkart, we get the items in a different order. So it is not necessarily the same order we will get, but we will get almost all the elements here. So this is how we can easily use this beautiful soup library to scrap the search page of Flipkart. Thank you.